In this module, we'll discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping wheels.
First, inspection and cleaning.
Wheels do not include caps unless inventoried as such. Confirm part description as well as interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. All tires, unless otherwise noted, or spare, must be removed from wheel prior to shipping. Visibly inspect the front and back lips for any bends. Thoroughly wash and degrease as necessary to remove dirt and debris. Wheels should be polished to minimize any surface imperfections.
Tagging and identification. Stock number or PO should be engraved or written using small lettering on the inside of the wheel, close to the valve stem when possible.
Shipping. All wheels should be protected and boxed. At least 1 to 2 inches worth of packing space should surround the unit inside the box. Consider using a small pallet when sending 3 or more steel wheels to a customer.
So Emily, this wheel's ready to go. Anything we can take into consideration?
I would say just make sure you have enough packing in it. It's not moving around. Double check that. Also, if you're shipping more than one wheel, like 3 of them, it is probably pretty good to put it on a pallet, save some space on that transportation network. And once again, just like all the parts, if you can shake it and it moves, probably open it up, repackage it, add some more packing, and you should be good to go.
Great points. Thanks for watching and stay safe.